Let me show you how you can make money using moving average by itself. So guys, please pay attention to this, and I know it is going to help you. So guys, if you are a scalper, a day trader, pay attention to this and you can make up to $1,000. I know most of the times we do underrate these moving averages, but basically guys, as you can see on my chart right now, I'm using the 1 hour time frame. When you want to see the 21 EMA working perfectly for you, you have to understand the time frame and you have to understand the trading session that you're going to use this moving average, right? So guys, basically you can use this during the New York session, and basically as well you can use this when it comes to London session. There is a reason I've told you that. Do your own research and let me know what you have really seen about this. So guys, right on my chart right here, I have 21 EMA, as you can see right here. And so guys, assessing this is very easy because on Tradingview, Ninja Trader, any charting platform you use, you're going to find the 21 EMA. EMA represent exponential moving average. You're just going to click on indicators tab and you're going to install it, or rather you're going to make it up on your chart. So guys, as you can see right here, I am on my 1 hour time frame. I told you that, but basically I better be honest guys, whenever I want to really be convinced that 21 EMA is actually accurate, I use it on 1 hour time frame. And when you're really using the London session and the New York session, basically you can use it from 5 minutes time. So guys, I want to test it right now with you right here because I want you to see exactly what I mean. I know you can ask yourself, how do I use the 21 EMA? How I use it guys, and I would love to tell you something. Price really reacts to 21 EMA. Looking at this point right here guys, you can see price broke above right here. Okay, I'm using the past data, then you're going to use it on the live market. Okay, and when price was trying to push to the upside, we got the red candlestick pattern. You can see right here, it actually touches it and reacted to it. It's only by God's grace that we found a gap that really broke to the downside. And as you can see guys, when price breaks above it, the market really tries to push to the upside. So I'm trying to say price really reacts to 21 EMA, and I would love you guys to keep that in mind because this is something that many traders tends to ignore most of the times. You can use this when it comes to scalping. You can use these guys as well when it comes to day trading, and you're going to really make money whenever you're using it. Okay, so keep in mind that price has a probability, and most of the times it will react to 21 EMA. If the market was selling, okay, and you see it getting closer to your 21 EMA, just know price will react to it, and there is a probability that now a pullback has come to an end as well. If the market is actually buying and you see it really touching the 21 EMA, you're supposed to know that a pullback is coming to an end and it's broken below as well. You have to keep in mind that now the trend has really changed. When it breaks above as well, you have to know that now the trend has changed. That's the important part of the 21 EMA, and I really love it seeing it on 1 hour time frame. So guys, I want to see how price is going to react to 21 EMA when it is touched. We really use it to execute our trade and to know how the market is moving. So guys, as you can see, price really came to a 21 EMA. When it touched it on 1 hour time frame, there is really reaction and there is a rejection from lower prices. So you can see it actually reacting to it. Once it touched it guys, there is reaction. So you're supposed to know right here, because the market is moving horizontally, that is really a consolidation. But in this video, I just want you to see how price really reacts when it touches our 21 EMA in our 1 hour time frame. So guys, we can proceed and see how the market really behaves again. You can see price came to it one more time. We got this candlestick closing below, but it was broken. But this candlestick pattern as well was unable to break below it. Okay, so you can see it is indeed, or rather price was really pushed to the upside. I don't know how really this goes with you guys, because you're seeing this right on live market, seeing how the market is basically reacting. And yeah, now price is at our 21 EMA again. So in this case, you're supposed to keep in mind, if price breaks below it, you're going to sell. When price breaks above it, just know you're going to really press it to the upside, because you have seen price has really touched it, and being touched, there is a reaction expected at that given point. Price is basically unable to break below it. Keep in mind is that we are on this level right here, or our minor resistance level, sorry. And basically, guys, you see price reacting to it being rejected. That's the power of 21 EMA. This is the secret I'm revealing to you anytime when it comes to 1 hour time frame. You have to keep that in mind, and always keep that in mind. Here again, it has been touched, guys, and as you can see, it is again rejected, and the market keeps on pushing to the upside. So guys, I hope you're learning something. I hope you're actually writing down something. Again, guys, here we are. It is important to note all these things. Basically, again, it has been rejected by this red candlestick pattern pushing to the upside. And so guys, let's see whether it is going to work. Again, it has been broken below. Once it is broken below, guys, you're supposed to know for sure the market is basically going to sell, simply because when it was broken below right here, you can see we had this momentum candlestick pattern which broke below it. Then this blue, or rather the green candlestick pattern, it was rejected with this wicks right here. Once it touched it, and you can see price is definitely to the downside. That is the power of this perfect and great indicator. Let's see how the market is going to react. Broken below again, but you can see once it is broken below, there is a lot happening right here. So guys, keep in mind, price has to break below it and close below it. Once it breaks below it, guys, you can see sellers have a task, or rather they have really a task to do, simply because there is rejection of higher prices and the market really pushes to the downside. So guys, that's the important thing to know. I don't know whether you're getting this clearly with me right here. And basically, guys, there we go when it comes to this candlestick pattern that we all know. And so guys, you can see on live market, price is actually above it, and sellers, or rather the buyers, are trying to push to the upside, but they're being rejected once they touch the 21 EMA. So guys, that's the power of 21 EMA, what I wanted to show you, and I hope, guys, this is so understandable, testing it with you and seeing how it is basically working. Okay, so guys, let me hope you've learned something from this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Don't forget as well to subscribe. Don't forget as well to share with your friends. And so guys, I don't have much to say. Bye bye. I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye guys.